Hey y'all, I jumped the line because I got to take my kid to camp in a few minutes, so I figured I'd skip ahead and I've got a quick demo. Very much work in progress. So there's probably some holes, but I think it's good enough to show the progress since it's something that people have been asking for a long time. So without further ado, yeah. People have been wanting to be able to have a GitHub app for our integration instead of using standard Git protocols with SSH or HTTPS password auth. So I'm working on making that a reality. And the demo is kind of, what are we going to say? It's not going to be any different than anything else, but the underlying mechanism for actually communicating. What happened? Oh, pull request updated. Great. So if I jump over to the pull request, this commit was made by a GitHub app, which is currently just in my developer environment, but registered here. And just to show kind of what it looks like, the Git settings page is a little bit different. I haven't pulled in my latest work, but the instructions and whatnot are different for setting this thing up. Some things will still be coming, like commit signing and improved instructions and things along those lines, but making good progress towards our Git integration being app-based, which initially will be essentially a no-op besides the auth mechanism and commit signing, but in the longer term will open up things like us actually creating the pull request instead of linking to an open pull request page, and doing things like checking the status on pull requests and being able to show that in the Omni UI and things along those lines. So kind of moving in that direction and hopefully have something live in the next week or two. That is that.